Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the door. We'll go inside. And just here on the left side in the lower part is the hood release. Pull it open, lift up on the hood, find the safety release. It's a lever here, push it to the passenger side to unlock it, lift it up, prop rod's here, we'll put it in place. The underhood fuse panel is on the driver's side, has a cover on it. There is a lock in the front, and we'll just push it open and then lift up on the cover. And we flip the cover over. And the way you're looking at the fuses laid out here is the same as looking at them here. So if you wanted a particular fuse, so you're looking for the so you're looking for the horn fuse. So it's a 10 amp fuse. It's number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 amp, number 4. There's also a tool located right here. Pull this out. That's to help you pull the fuse out. So if this horn fuse is blown out, you wanted to replace it, you could use this tool. Clips onto there, pull it straight out. And then of course, there's usually some spare fuses in here. So you could pull your 10 amp fuse out of here, replace the one that's blown. I'm going to reuse this one because it's fine. So you can put it right back in the little removal tool. Push it right back in. Take this off. I'll put the tool back. Clips into its little holder. You can do that for any fuses in here. All the relays are marked. Let's place the cover. There we go. The interior fuse panel is located just above your left knee. There's this little pocket that you'd pull down. You might store change in here or something. So if you actually push in on it, both sides, you can pop it out of the dash. A little tricky. At the same time, you're going to pull it off of the little hinges. It doesn't come off very easy, but it has to pop off these hinges. And on the inside of it is the fuse layout, and it actually gives you a little arrow. So you turn it over and be looking at it from this direction. And then you have to look deep inside the dashboard here to actually see the fuses. And of course, the layout is here on the back side of the pocket. I'm gonna try to clip it back on the hinges and get it into the dashboard at the same time, just like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.